Ngapain sobaya piki parlo ke bisnat ban pe ya kene ke video ha kene channel. Jubab manager ka klub Manchester United Erik Ten Hag ya ke jingkli shaphang CR7 hato undon ha ka fast 11 ha ke jingel kai Persya ya ka West Ham United mynta ka sngi. Erik Ten Hag lengba ka interview ulaong ngamdon ka European team ngamdon ka Premier League team Henry tang na kamta bangan pe ya ka jingya kun Persya bat kamtam ngidai ban pelaj jingmut ya ka jire kai Persya ya ka West Ham United bat ngidai ban don kata ka plan B bat plan C na kamta ban job ya ka jire kai ong Erik Ten Hag lengba ka interview bat kane ka pausai ba CR7 unsa don benta ha ka jingele kai Persya ya ka Manchester United mynta ka sngi haba phai sha kawai pat ka kubor former West Ham United goalkeeper Robert Green ukwa ba Cristiano Ronaldo undon haka first team squad jong ka Manchester United haka jingele kai Persya ya ka West Ham United mynta ka sngi te paralog tangin pe ya kane ka ba manager ka club Manchester United Erik Ten Hag ula kren bat ula Jubab ya ka jingkli shaphang CR7 lengba kane ka interview.
Still has to fight his way back into the Premier League team, which is really your first 11 rather than the Europa League team.
Yeah, I know that that some see like this, but I don't have a Europe team or I don't have a Premier League team. It's about I look to the opponent, what we need against such opponent. Now I have to focus me on Newcastle on West Ham United for Sunday, and then we will pick the team to start, but also to have plan B or plan C in the pocket to win that game, and that is what we need finally to win games, and therefore we not only need 11 players, we need the whole squad.